Ew, nasty. That's what happens when the vacuum cleaner's air filter just does not get cleaned. Oh, there's dust getting everywhere, including from the camera. Oh, wow, that's dusty. Wow, this is so filthy. Yeah, it is. Look at all the dust. Yeah. It says we're supposed to put it out outside to do this, but it's easy to just. Look at that! Look at that! I think I got something in my mouth. Yeah, I think I did too. It tastes like chalk.
Oh, look behind us.
Whoa.
That's right, I got something in our mouth.
Yeah, turn the fan on quick. Oh, I closed the door and it blew in my face.
Oh, that's like all this.
Just get it wet.
Oh, look at that. It's so dirty. Hey, wait. Is that the color it's supposed to be?
It's supposed to be white. But it's dark charcoal gray. And all the dirt.
Oh my, look at that. Okay, I think that's good.
Gross.
Oh, wow.
What nasty.
Oh, we still. Oh, wow.
Wow. I definitely wouldn't want to use my bathtub for this. Even the edge of this is dirty.
Yeah.
Ah. Get this wet too.
Yeah, that needs cleaning too. Oh, look at that. I gotta do some scrubbing for it. Your dad never cleans this.
Nope.
And it's still wing out dirty water in here. Look at this. Still dirty water.
See, I told you it was supposed to be a white sponge, even though it's almost black.
It was? I thought it was supposed to be gray.
No, it's gray from all the dirt.
Oh my.
Caked in dirt. It's a dirt sponge. With a vacuum cleaner.
Oopsie. Okay. Okay.
Gross.
Wow.
That's totally different.
It does look totally different. And I think this is as good as we could do right now.
Without soap.
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to use soap, bro. Are you?
I don't remember. I haven't read the instruction manual for this thing for my dad's vacuum cleaner in a few years. At least a couple
It's a little
of
bit
years.
black down there, but why isn't the dust going out like that?
It's some stubborn dirt.
Well, I'll call that good right now.
Alright, then in the office.
Missy, you got it out dancing. Then you think I did that. And how come you are?
I got my phone a little away from the sprayer. Ugh. Ugh, filthy. I have to let it dry. Oh, that dust got me so filthy now I have to take a shower. Ugh. Hey, Misty. And I got my pants wet. Look at that. Nasty. That's just nasty. Yeah. Still got dust on my tongue and my right on my face and my mouth. Blah. I need a shower. I'll finish cleaning this guest room up as soon as possible. As quick as I can. I've put this off for far too long. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these old shoes, so I'll figure it out. Oh, dust is triggering my allergies again. It's all on my phone, too. Well, that's it for now.